Hi, welcome to my kitchen. We are making today Huevos Veracruz. My friend Randy told me that Veracruz is not a style of food, it is a location. And this is how they make their breakfast. So I'm doing some black beans. You don't have to show that. Here they are. But the last time I made it, the bean, I don't know what it's called, bean juice. I want it a little more thickened before I add it to everything else. We're gonna put the eggs in here eventually. I think I need to add some oil. And if you're watching me make this and you know how to make a Huevos Veracruz and you're like, this guy, he doesn't know shit. I want you to give me a comment on down below on what I'm doing or not doing, because Yvette and I, when we were in Mexico, we would go to this little cafe that was on the beach with no walls, because it was just on the beach, and I would order the Huevos Veracruz every day, and a man who looked just like Charles Bronson would bring me the breakfast. He worked there, Charles Bronson's son, but I'm trying to reproduce this breakfast here for us today. So, eggs, cage-free, please. I can crack an egg with one hand. Don't know where I learned that. Some people are impressed with such a thing. This is the trash. Okay, let's see. Are our beans getting ready? I'm gonna leave this here because I don't want you to see that side of the kitchen. It's terrible. It's a mess. Also, with tortillas, I'm gonna add salsa to it, and also I think there was onions in the one that we had, but I'm not doing the onions. So I hope these beans are getting coagulated really well. And so these are my eggs. I'm gonna give them a little whipping. How's that feel? Okay. Are we ready to put these in? You're laughing. Okay, here they go. Okay, that's that. Use this. I use that. So, don't remember. We're going to put a little bit of that in there. See what happens. Ah! And so, here we go. I'm going to stay right there for now. And let's let these guys go. Whoa! And it's like scrambled eggs, but we got these beans in here and this salsa. And yeah. I wish I had smell-o-vision so that you could smell this. When YouTube really gets going, they are going to have smelling. And so, yeah, and I want it, I remember when I got it, it was always real black looking. So I'm going to add the rest of this to see if I can get that look. You know, I guess the way it tastes is more important, but I want it to look the way it looked when we were in Mexico. I also had it with black coffee, but I only drink black coffee in Mexico. I can't drink it here in America. So I'm just going to keep cooking it, and then, well, we're going to put it, do you want yours on a tortilla, or do you want the tortilla next to it?
Next to it.
Okay. So we're going to go with these separately. Any comments so far?
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I'm not sure about the bean to egg ratio, so we're going more in the direction of a burrito. But I'm excited because I'm hungry. We're going to let that cook a little longer. And well, that's it for our video. Please let me know if there's any other things I should be doing to my Huevos Veracruz. We're going to take these out once they're cooked a little more, put them on the plate, and I'm going to heat up some tortillas on the burner like so. Probably that's a no-no, but that's the way we do it here. And then we'll eat them. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day.